Hey, what's up? About 2 weeks ago, we made a video about A-zone light motion sensor with solar panel. This is a full wireless sensor. You can watch the video about it by the link in description. But we also have a wired light motion sensor from A-zone company. Let's talk about its features. Should you buy wireless or wired light motion sensor? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. The box of A-zone light motion sensor looks like this. Although the device is sold on Amazon, you can see Chinese characters on the box. There is also the image of the light motion sensor and the main features. Specifications list is on the side. Inside the box, there is user manual in English. Power supply. Extension cable. Screws and light motion sensor. That's all. By the way, I found a note in the user manual that it is not a real camera. Yeah, it is only a light motion sensor, but you can also use it as fake security camera. A-zone light motion sensor really looks like a security camera. It has a white plastic case with a black front panel. There are 8 LED lights and PIR sensor on the front. The power cable is on the back. The size of the light motion sensor is 180 by 70 by 70 mm. The weight is about 180 grams. It also has a 3-axis rotation, so you can place the light at any angle. As I already said, there are screws in the package, so you can put the light motion sensor to the wall, ceiling, etc. Okay, now let's look how it works, and I will tell you about main specifications. So, first you need to connect the light motion sensor to power source. It doesn't have built-in battery. There is no power button or something else. The light turns on automatically. You know the light is off during the day. At night, the light is always in weak mode, but when the motion is detected, the highlight mode is activated. The duration of highlight is about 17 seconds. The color temperature is from 6000 K to 6500 K. The device has 120 degrees motion detection angle. The illumination angle is 90 degrees. The motion sensor detects the motion at a distance up to 8 meters or 26 feet. That's very good. A-zone light motion sensor is a very useful device for a private house or even apartment, for example hallway. This is a wired motion sensor, but you can also buy a wireless motion sensor with solar panel. I will leave the links to Amazon in description under the video. The price of this device is only $19. It is a good deal, don't you think so? Thanks for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.